So we're gonna be changing the steering wheel on here, and right now we got this. We're using the little Allen key, and the size is a 1/8 for this one. So we're gonna get into it. So we're gonna loosen it. It's kind of stripped in here, the way they put it in here. I don't have the right side?
Let me see that screw you took off. Let me see. That's it. You gotta just seat it in there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's like, get it. Oh, there you go. You got to kind of wiggle it and make sure you get in there. Because you don't want to have it halfway and that'll strip it out. And just give me the bolt and I'll hand them to you. What are the wires for the horn?
It's on there.
I'm talking about
The hookup.
Yeah. It should be able to come through here. What horn wire is that? Them guys don't know what they doing. You don't have no horn.
Nope. It's perfect because I bought a sticker that says no horn or something like that.
Man. You're supposed to.
So just wiggle.
Make sure you go in there. You don't want to strip it. No. Did the seat in there? The other way. You tighten it now. Seat. Make sure it's seat in there now. Push it. Push. Just wiggle it. Is it in there?
Yeah. At least this is easy. Not everything on the BMW is hard. Considering somebody already did this. It would be really nice to have like a Japanese.
Make sure it's pushed in there when you're doing it. You don't want to strip it.
Like a Japanese steering wheel. That would be nice too. Oh, golly.
Push it in there. Make sure. Push it. Yeah. While you're wiggling it.
Now it's coming on off.
Hold it in the center so it won't strip.
Here we go.
Okay.
So now
What goes on now?
you gotta put the small one on.
Right here.
Yeah. Here we go. So we gotta use the old bolts.
Line it up. Start one. Stagger it like that. Line it up first. Screw it in with my hand.
Oh, by hand?
Yeah. That way it won't strip. You just starting them. And get another one. Start another one. Line it up. Start it. Oh, that's a different side one?
Some of these are longer than the other. I think the shorter ones were supposed to
What?
supposed to go in there, but did the longer ones.
They go in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hopefully this don't be in the way.
Oh,
You know what I'm talking about?
What? The bolts?
Yeah.
Mm.
It ain't okay.
It's gonna like space it out already on its own when you like lock it in there.
I'm talking about this right here. No, it won't be sitting on top of here and not going all the way seated down. That's why they probably had the flat bolts.
It's not gonna be. No, it's like it's gonna be placed here, so it's like it's gonna be stuck there.
What is that? Bug in here?
There's a bug.
Let me feel in here.
Is it going in?
Don't strip it. You might have to loosen that one and then get all of them started. Yeah, so you can slide this plate a little bit.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Just like with that.
And then just snug it, and then so it can turn. Once you get 4 of them in, then it should be lined
just
up.
spinning.
Yeah, just come on now, don't strip them, Angel. Go straight down in that even.
You know, they got a name brand one. They're gonna go for like 200. But it makes a nice noise though when you click it, when you put it on the car. And everybody loves recording it. It sounds good though. It's like a ding. It sounds real nice. It do. It sounds real nice. It dings every time. Well, not every time.
Do the other end. Do the other side. Put the other side, the L. And just snug.
That's all of them, right?
Did you do that?
Yeah, that was the second one I did.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes.
It's gonna say ding.
You think so?
I hope you put the right screw where it should be, but it looks better like that. But let's see.
There we go.
That's it.
Well, I gotta fix it straight.
Yeah, the steering wheel straight. You didn't have that right, did you?
That's the one thing about steering wheels. When you do that, you have to put it in there straight.
Is that it?
You gotta click.
There you go.
Clicks like that, but that's not straight though.
It's straight enough, shoot. Because your wheels are straight. Yeah, and the word is straight right there.
But this steering wheel isn't.
What do you mean?
Like, see how the steering wheel is turned?
Oh.
We gotta fix that. That's the thing about.
So you got to just take that off and turn it around.
Yeah.
Oh man, because let me see something. I might be able. Man, if you want water, man. Gotcha. Where my drill at? Time you.
I think we just gotta turn it like one time. I have it lined up with the bolts again. That should be it. Cause it just was like one little turn off.
What size is that? Let me see something. Let me see what size is it? Let me see something. Yeah, that's it. There you go. There you go. It's gonna be a whole lot quicker. Yep. A whole lot quicker. You gotta make sure you don't. But you're taking it out?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Drop it again.
Where'd it go?
I have no idea. think that should be it right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, you should have turned that, not this.
No, this needs to turn.
Oh, you talking about the words?
No, the words can be moved around. It don't matter.
No, but I'm talking about you want that word to be.
Yeah, you
like
can put it
that.
on there.
Yeah,
Like
but I thought you was talking about that.
that.
Need to be
Nah,
straight.
like
Yeah.
like when I showed you the video of that dude. Okay, now we figured it out, and we just lined it up with each other's holes, and that was just it. I thought that when you do it like that, the wheel be turned sideways and the wheels would be straight, and then like the arrow, like it would not line up straightly, but it is.
So this is straight right here.
Yeah,
And that's supposed to be at the bottom right there.
yeah.
Okay.
I just didn't think with it like this.
With it all the way around. It's snuggle. Yeah, that's good. There you go. Good.
Yep, this is it right here.
Okay. And you getting this that signal light I mean that okay. That's it.